Yeah, morning guys, Dave here. It's been a while since I've done one of these. Happy New Year to you all. Yeah, just at Babinda today. We're just going to the Babinda Kayaking, which is a couple of k's down the road. Beautiful day, should be good for it. Normally I'm doing a couple of fishing videos, but today me and my wife are off to Babinda Kayaking for a half a day trip, and it should be a really nice day. Not much happening in the town at the moment with Babinda, but as you can see, sleepy little town, awesome bakery. I just pulled up the park at the moment just to get some gear ready, and we'll head to the kayaking about 9ish and spend a half a day coming down the river, down the Babinda River. It should be an awesome day. So thanks guys, stay safe, and we'll catch you soon. Ciao. Hey, back again guys. Alright, we made it to Babinda Creek for the kayaking. Just want to show you what it's like so far. Absolutely beautiful, clear as. So we'll make our way down about 5 to 7 k's down the creek. If anyone hasn't been here before, I think I highly recommend it. Catch you later. Back again guys, a couple of kayakers going down the river. Have fun guys.
Thank you.
Hi guys, back again. Oh, well, we made it. We're on the river. We're on the Babinda River on the kayaking tour. Couple of hours, 3.5 hours downstream. Absolutely magnificent. Not much paddling going on here. Pretty easy going. Bit of run in the water, but that's good. Pretty damn clear as well. Well, we'll catch us a little bit further on down the creek. Oh, I just went through those rapids.
Any luck, mate? Yeah, I caught 4 sooties, 1 perch.
Got a young fella here getting some jungle perch.
Yeah, nice little weedy.
How you going, mate?
Yeah,
Catching any?
yeah, I got 4 sooties, 1 perch.
Good one, buddy. Okay guys, we've got a good one here. We're going to have to navigate this one. This is a bit hairy. Go, Joy. Go. Whoa! Holy! We did it! Woohoo! Bit of a drop there, guys. Bit of a thrill. A drink of water and a bit of a swim. So just park the kayaks up there, and beautiful running creek here. So we've come about maybe 3 or 4 k's downstream. Pretty epic adventure so far. Alright, we've come about 5 k's downstream. Absolutely epic. We're coming up to the first train line bridge and Bruce Highway Bridge. This is the first set of 2 bridges. We've got about another hour and a half to go downstream, where we'll rendezvous with the Babinda Kayakers transportation to take us back up to our vehicle. Well, we just pulled up for a bit of lunch before we continue on to the next phase. Water temperature is absolutely gorgeous. And we are pulled up there A little bit of run, but that's alright. We'll just plop ourselves in down in here somewhere and have a bit of a swim, freshen up and continue on our journey. Okay guys, we've had lunch, back on the water, sailing on down Babinda Creek to the second leg. Come to the second bridge shortly, and then we've got about another, I think maybe an hour, just easy cruising, paddling. Glorious day. If you haven't done this, you really need to do it. Ah, little turtle. G'day, little mate. Yeah, cool. Just sunning himself. Hey, how you going, mate? Few kids having a bit of fun, eh?
Yeah.
So, hey, go and do us a backflip.
Hello.
All right. All right. Woo. That'll do, that'll do. Good one. Here's a push off. Awesome, guys. Right, now I've got no more for you. Beautiful, aren't you?
Oh, sorry, darling. I like you though.
He thinks you got food in there. Yeah, hi all. Okay, we're back from Babinda Kayaking now. What an awesome day it was. We're now right back at Eddy Bay for the night before we head home tomorrow. What an awesome place this is. Just not far from Babinda itself, which is on the far North Queensland coast. And we're staying here been here for a couple of nights and we'll head back. So I hope you guys enjoy the content. I'm going to be doing a lot more of this moving forward on the channel, especially about the fishing. So stand by and give us a thumbs up, give us a like and subscribe if you like the content. And cheers for now.